Fish?
So funny. Now I stink.
That smells delicious.
Are you talking about me?
It's time to eat.
Let's eat some delicious food.
Back off, cute kids. You should all be my servants.
Only we want.
A delicious meow bite.
My tail hurts so much. Go. Stop biting my head. I've had enough.
What's going on?
What was all that? Are we back to normal?
Am I not a cute kid anymore?
You're not.
You could stop now, Veneria.
Sorry.
Finally, I'll sneak away while they're distracted. What? I thought I was free, and the only thing left to do is...
What just happened?
I think Black doesn't like cats.